Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. Let's revise place values in this video. We start with the whole numbers. 1234. So starting from 4 is in the ones place. It represents 4 ones and the value is 4. Next we look at 3. 3 is in the tens place. It represents 3 tens and the value is 30. Next, look at the digit 2. 2 is in the hundreds place. It represents 2 hundreds and the value is 200. Now we look at 1. 1 is in the thousands place. It represents 1000 and the value is 1000. So these are the whole numbers. Let's look at the decimals part, okay? Now, 5. 5 is in the tenths place. It represents 5 tenths and the value is 0.5. And as a fraction, it is 5 out of 10. Next, let's look at the digit 6. That's in the hundredths place, okay, with the THS. It represents 6 hundredths. That is 0.06. And as a fraction, that is 6 out of 100. And lastly, we look at the digit 7. Now, 7 is in the thousands place, again with the THS. It stands for 7 thousandths, 0.007, and as a fraction, it's 7 out of 1000.